All right, here I have a 2024 Kia Carnival with the 3.5 liter engine. And if you just want all the quick information, it takes 0W20, 6.13 quarts. Drain plug size is 17 millimeter. You can torque that to 25.3 to 32.5 foot-pounds. The oil cap filter is 27 millimeters, and then the torque is 16.6 to 19.5 foot-pounds. All right. At the top here, you got your oil fill and your dipstick right next to each other. So that's super simple. And at the bottom here, on the passenger side, is your drain plug. I'm circled it there. And then the oil filter cap is actually a little hidden. It's right here on the passenger side where the harmonic balancer is. I'm trying to show, looking down, exactly where it is. It's kind of next to the oil pan, but here's a better picture of it. But yeah, it's like a weird location, but it's underneath that harmonic balancer. And when you get your new oil filter, you want to make sure you replace both your O-rings. When you put in your oil filter, you want to make sure that the nipple is sticking out. And then when you put the oil filter cap with the filter back into the engine, you want to make sure that that nipple aligns with the hole in the engine, all right? And you don't crush that nipple. This is the part number that I used. It came with a new filter, 2 new O-rings, and a crush washer, all right? And if you want the OEM one, this is the part number for it. It should come with everything, but I'm not sure. I didn't get the OEM one. And then to reset your oil life, you want to go slide here to setup, vehicle, and then slide down to convenience. I kind of didn't show it there, but you slide down to convenience. And then there's your service interval, and then you can reset it right there. And then there's your oil change reminder. You just press reset and then just press yes again. So if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to help you out.